Hello, classmate and professor. My name is Patricia. I'm business administration student at ASA. The purpose of this speech is to teach you about how to handmade soap. Legend says that soap was first discovered on Sapo Hill in Rome when a group of women were washing their clothes in the river. They soon found that using this same cleansing substance, the clothes were coming clear easier. Since that time, we know soap as soap. However, the Babylonians were the one who invented soap, and evidence for this are Babylonian clay container date at 2000 BC. Inscription on the container present the earlier known right-hand soap recipe, and they state that the product was made from fat combined with wood, ash, and water. My personal experience with handmade soap has been very satisfying. I started making my soap last year. I'm enjoying this hobby and I discover more process. I make soap every month at least for 1 hour, and I feel excited about how it turns out each time. With more ingredients, you can have different results. I also learn new technique and process that allow me to get better. When you first start making soap, you will likely do the cold process. Cold process soap is made by combining oils and lye, which causes a chemical reaction called saponification. In the process, you get to choose the oil, scents, colorant, and any other ingredient. A simple but effective soap can be made using a few inexpensive ingredients from your kitchen. Homemade soap using the cold process method make a great project for using an abundance of aromatic and antibacterial herbs such as rosemary, sage, oregano. Roses and lavender add a soft scent, while citrus zest add a zing. The choice is up to you. The cold process method is ideal for preserving the benefit of plant-derived oil and butter. How to make soap. Here are the ingredients. We have the lye. You can get them on Amazon.com. This is the scent. Those are the scent, these two. We have our coconut oil. You can use different kind of oil, but for this soap, you're gonna use only the coconut oil and the water. All the information about handmade soap can be found at marthaweststewart.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you. Bye.